What if I told you there is a real planet in our universe where it rains molten glass, sideways? That's not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a terrifying truth. A planet so hostile, so extreme, that even imagining it feels unreal. This world exists, and its name is HD 189733b. Located 64 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Vulpecula, HD 189733b is a gas giant about the size of Jupiter. It was discovered in 2005 by astronomers using the transit method, which involves watching for slight dips in a star's brightness as a planet passes in front of it. But once scientists started studying this planet more closely, they realized it was unlike anything we'd ever seen before. Let's start with the temperature. HD 189733b is incredibly close to its star, so close that a year there lasts only about 2 Earth days. Because of this extreme proximity, the planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the star, while the other is permanently dark. The sun-facing side reaches blistering temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock and metal. But here's where things get truly insane. The atmosphere of this planet contains silicate particles, the very stuff that forms glass. These particles get caught in the brutal heat, rise into the upper atmosphere, and condense into molten glass droplets. And yes, it literally rains glass on this planet. Now, imagine that rain being hurled by winds moving at over 5,400 miles per hour, or 8,700 kilometers per hour, faster than a speeding bullet. The planet is constantly bombarded by violent supersonic winds that rip across its skies. So when it rains molten glass, it doesn't fall gently. It gets blasted sideways with unimaginable force. This glass storm would shred anything caught in its path. If you were somehow standing on a platform floating in the upper atmosphere of HD 189733b, you wouldn't survive even a second. The temperature would vaporize you, the winds would tear you apart, and the glass rain would finish whatever's left. It's a planet-sized storm machine, hostile, relentless, and completely unforgiving. And yet, despite this hellish environment, the planet looks absolutely stunning from space. Through the eyes of the Hubble Space Telescope, HD 189733b appears as a deep cobalt blue orb. It's one of the very few exoplanets for which we've been able to detect actual color. But that brilliant blue hue isn't because of oceans or water. It's because of the way its turbulent, particle-filled atmosphere scatters blue light. It's a deadly beauty, like a glowing sapphire forged in chaos. What makes this even more mind-blowing is the reminder that this is just one of thousands of exoplanets we've discovered, and we've only just begun exploring the galaxy. If HD 189733b is out there, what else might we find? Planets made of diamond? Worlds where time bends near black holes? Suns that are colder than fire? The universe is weirder, more dangerous, and more beautiful than we could ever imagine. HD 189733b is a stunning example of how little we truly understand about what lies beyond our solar system. It's a silent, stormy giant drifting in the vast darkness of space. Proof that reality can be far stranger than fiction. And somewhere out there, among the billions of stars, lie even more terrifying wonders waiting to be discovered. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, up there in the endless black, it might be raining glass sideways. And that's just the beginning.